Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's project. It's a big one. So we are working on a new sump tank for the Aquaponics garden. Now, I got tired of messing around with plastic containers caving in on the sides and all that kind of stuff, or just not having the volume of water that I need. So we built this. It's approximately 136 cinder blocks. It's almost, almost 6 feet deep. But the 2 feet that are above ground won't be holding water. So technically it's only about 4 feet deep of water when it's completed. Right now this is just a rough build. I'm going to take this all apart. And we're going to try my hand at laying some bricks. So we got a few bags of mortar over here. We got a tray, got a cement mixer, and yeah, we're gonna make this a solid structure, all made out of bricks, built by yours truly. Did all this by myself. So it should be a fun project to work on. I've never made anything out of bricks before, other than maybe a little staircase, or maybe used a cinder block or two for legs on a grow bed. So this will allow me to build many more grow beds, and I won't run out of water. So the problem I was having is it's pretty hard to time the grow beds, and after a while they will fill up at the same time. And with the IBC container, what was happening is I would run out of water because they would both fill at the same time eventually. So the solution was to build a very large sump tank. So here we are. This is going to be interesting. It should be pretty fun too. We're also going to line the bottom with concrete. So hopefully I can make this watertight. I have some pond liner, and the idea is once it's all done, I'll put pond liner in there. That way the water doesn't permeate the concrete and leach out, or the concrete change the pH of the water. We don't want that to happen. So here we are. It is 4.5 cinder blocks across, so it's a perfect square. And then it's 9 cinder blocks high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I may take the top layer off, or I may leave it. We'll see. We'll see how long it takes to put mortar on these puppies and get them all level and evened out. The fun part's going to be taking it all apart and then redoing it, but I think it'll work out great. And then you can see here I've got some blocks on their sides, and that is so when we get all the plumbing done, the 4-inch pipes can go through those openings and drain into the tank. And then that one over there, that will be for the outlet that pumps water back to the fish tank. So as you can see here, the sides have been falling in on me. So I've been working on this thing off and on throughout the monsoon season, which was a really bad idea. So every time I come out here and spend hours and hours digging, it would rain all night, and then the sides would collapse. So hopefully we're done with that for now. And since I have the blocks in there now, I'm motivated to get this done. So it took me probably around, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours to stack all these up, maybe climbing in and out, using the tractor to bring them all over here. I had them all on a pallet piled up over there. I bought 2 pallets. Each pallet has 90 bricks on it. So I got a few extras over there, and then I made a staircase for the large water tank so I can crawl up there and look inside of it and see how much water's in there. But I think we're going to cut this video short. That's it for today. I'm pretty tired after doing all that work, but hopefully tomorrow we can get this taken apart and start start connecting these together with the mortar and make it a permanent thing. And then we won't have to worry about the walls collapsing ever again. So we also have rebar over there too, if you didn't see that. So we're gonna put rebar down each one of these holes. And then for the concrete at the bottom, I've got these little holders here to hold this rebar up off of the ground. That way we'll have a nice flat, safe surface to put the pond liner on, so we don't have to worry about any holes getting poked in the bottom, because it would be pretty tough to fix that if something happened. So there you guys go. That's it for today's video. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those down below. Give us a thumbs up. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all, and peace. As the sun is setting. What a beautiful day.